Hi, my name is Allison, and welcome to this CYBERTRAX demonstration. Here we will explain the many functions and how to use the CYBERTRAX tracking software. CYBERTRAX is a unique transportation management system that supplies real-time data to make your supply chain more efficient and easy to use. Once logged in, you'll notice the main CYBERTRAX homepage. This dashboard is filled with widgets and is completely customizable to fit your particular needs and likes. You can add and remove widgets and even add RSS feeds if you'd like. The main menu appears here on the left. The first button is the watch list, which is also a widget located here to the right. This widget shows me the top 5 shipments that appear on my watch list. We'll speak more about it later and even show you how to add your shipments to the watch list. The next menu item is the shipment list, which is literally a list of every shipment that is in your account. The Where is the main search area of the system. The Report section is where you're able to generate reports about your shipments. You can generate both current and historical reports. And finally, the Master Airway Bill Tracking, which allows you to track air freight shipments whether Jaguar handled that shipment or not. For this demonstration, we're going to take you briefly through each of these sections and highlight some of the unique features and functionality of the CYBERTRAX software. First, let's go to the shipment list. The shipment list is split into 4 tabs. We have live shipments, which is a shipment that has been entered into the system but does not yet have a delivery date. Once a delivery date has been entered, the record will move to the Delivered tab. Shipment records located here in the Delivered tab will stay for 6 months past the delivery date. After 6 months, it then moves over to the Archive section and is available there forever, and is completely searchable. The first tab, which we've come to last, is the Undefined tab. Some customers are unsure as to what particular mode of transport will be used for the shipment. These shipments will remain here until the client decides which mode is to be used for the shipment. Each page in this section will have basic information about the shipment. You'll see the CYBERTRAX number, when it was created, who the shipper, and who the consignee is. You can click anywhere on this line and go directly into the record. You can also add a shipment to what we call the watch list. The watch list is where you put shipments that you're most particularly interested in and you want to closely monitor. Here you can nickname the shipment using a name that's meaningful to you. Now we're going to put a shipment on the watch list and show you how that works. You can do it one of 2 ways. You can do it from the shipment page or from the actual record page. I'm going to choose this air freight shipment from the shipment page and add a nickname. Then just click the checkbox next to the shipment and hit Save All Changes. After confirmation, we can go to the watch list and see that shipment listed on the watch list. Now let's add that shipment to my top 5 by clicking and dragging here. I can even drag the shipment to place it at the top of my list. If we navigate home, we see the shipment has been updated into my top 5 widgets. Once the shipment reaches a particular milestone, the system will automatically send you a notification and alert you that it has reached that particular milestone. Embedded in the email alert is a hyperlink directly back to that particular shipping record. We can also see the status of that shipment and see whether or not that shipment has cleared customs. A green light means that it has. By clicking the shipment anywhere on this line, we can enter the record page. This is what a typical CYBERTRAX record page looks like. As you can see, each record has multiple tabs, providing you with the most and accurate real-time data, starting here with the shipment details. This is a comprehensive overview of the information, including the shipping dates below. We have a tab for the contents, the containers, comments, and so on. Here's an interesting feature. Within the Containers tab, click this Track Shipment. It allows you to go from our system into the shipping line directly to validate our information through their records. This gives you complete transparency for the life cycle of your shipment. Now let's go to the comment section. I can see there are 7 comments waiting. This is the area where our operators will leave messages for the user regarding the shipment. And by using the Communication Center, you can directly connect with our operators. These pull-down menus allow for you to also send the message to anyone at Jaguar, sorted by country and office, or send it to someone in your own organization. Here in the Document Center is where we can upload the scanned images of records pertaining to that shipment. And that is a complete shipping record. Very simple, very intuitive to use. Now let's talk about a few of the other features in CYBERTRAX. The Where Is section gives us the ability to search for a record using a multiple selection of search criteria. Here we're going to search for a shipment using a SKU number. Now here is a list of all the shipments containing that SKU number. I can even download to an Excel file. The Excel file will show all search results and even has hyperlinks back to the record in the CYBERTRAX system. Now let's move over to the report section. There are two reports that we offer, the main report and the in-transit report. The main report is a customizable report that the user may generate using any search criteria. This report can be emailed to the user either once or on a recurring schedule of their choosing. The in-transit report shows only those items that are in transit. Once the shipment is delivered, it's moved off the in-transit list. The Master Airway Bill Tracking section is for users that may not use Jaguar for all of their shipping needs, but use CYBERTRAX extensively. By selecting the carrier and typing in the Master Airway Bill number, you can track any air freight shipment. As you may have noticed by now, the CYBERTRAX platform is very simple to use, yet very powerful. It's simple, convenient, and it's intuitive. Thank you for joining us.